Hi everyone, welcome to the EarlyON. I'm Danielle. We offer programs for children and their families from ages 0 to 6 in Brantford and Brant County. I'm going to show you a fun science activity today, and I'm going to talk to you about the weather. Do you know what season we're in right now? It's winter. If you look outside, you'll see there's lots of snow on the ground. And after winter comes spring, which means that the snow is going to melt away and the ground is going to get softer because as the temperature changes, the ground starts to loosen up a bit and things begin to bloom. We see our trees bloom, we see our grass start to peek through, we see some flowers and bushes that are perennials that'll come back each year. I thought it would be fun if every day you and your parents or your caregivers could look outside and start to track the weather and notice the different temperature each day, or even just what you see in the sky and what you see all around you. A few of us might have some Lego at home, so why not take the Lego and use it to track the weather? It's also a good way to introduce math to your children. So what I've done today is I've taken this flat piece of Lego and I've added 7 blocks to the bottom. Now these blocks represent the different days of the week. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in the week. So again, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks, and they each represent a different day in the week. You could have bigger blocks like Duplo Lego and use those as well. And if you don't have like a flat piece of Lego, you could just put it on a piece of paper and lay the Lego blocks down, and then you could label the different days of the week. So what you could do next is you could help your child sort different colors that we need to represent the different weather days. For example, let's use white for days when it's snowy. So you could find as many white Lego blocks that you have. And again, this is a great way for your child to begin to learn some math by sorting the colors. And if they don't know their colors, then it's a perfect way to introduce colors. Next, we could use yellow. What do you think yellow could be used for? Let's use yellow to represent the sun. So gather your yellow blocks and put them all together. Next, we can have some blue blocks for days when we have beautiful blue skies. All your blue blocks together. And lastly, what about gray? For those days that it's like partly cloudy, you kind of see some sun and some clouds in the sky. So we have white for snowy days, yellow for sunny days, blue for blue skies, and gray for partly cloudy. So today is Tuesday, so I'm going to look over here on my little graph, and it would be the second day of the beginning of the week. So we've got Monday and Tuesday. So Tuesday, I'm going to look outside. I'm looking outside and I'm seeing snow on the ground, and I'm seeing white skies, and today it's been a bit of rain with some partly cloudy skies. So I think for today, I'm going to use a gray Lego piece and start to build my graph for Tuesday. So if you continue this each week, let's say you decide to do it for 1 month straight or a 2-week cycle, once you're done the first week and you start your second week, you and your child can go back and start to see if there's a pattern in the weather. On certain days, does it snow? Like maybe Wednesdays will be the day that it snows, or Tuesdays will be the day that it rains. So if you can see that, I've started my graph. And that's just a simple way to start to introduce the weather to your child. They can use their fine motor skills, they can talk about math and colors and patterns. We could even get out a dry eraser board or some white paper, and you can have your child draw what the weather looks like. So today we said it was partly cloudy, so I'm going to draw a cloud, and there was a little bit of rain, so I might just want to draw some rain in there. But tomorrow it might be sunny, so I would draw a sun just to represent that it was sunny. I'm going to put all my Lego over here. Now, since we're talking about rain, how fun would it be to make a rain cloud? All you need is a jar, some blue food coloring, some water, and some shaving cream. Okay. So the first step is you're going to pour the water into your jar. Okay, I'm going to fill it about that high. Next, you're going to shake your shaving cream and pour it into your jar. You like the sound that it makes? And you kind of want to fill it right to the top. Okay, so see that? I filled it right to the top. Next, I'm going to take my blue food coloring and I'm going to put some droplets on top of the shaving cream. So just like a rain cloud, the cloud fills with rain and starts to drop little driblets of rain down. So what's happening to our rain cloud? Where are the blue droplets going? Let's watch and see. We're going to observe. It might take a few minutes. And this might be something that doesn't happen right away. You kind of have to sit for a few minutes or maybe even 20 minutes to see what's going to happen. So look at it. It's starting to come down through the shaving cream because the shaving cream represents the cloud and the food coloring represents the rain. Isn't that pretty? Just watching it come down. And there's your storm cloud. I hope you enjoyed this fun activity today and learning all about the weather. Have a good day.